掌管历史，想是阮人活命的天父上帝，阮感谢你，阮即款真特别宝贵的机会，阮海内外乡亲拢同款一条心，为着阮的母亲台湾来关心，来走动，因为知阮的故乡拄着真大的危机。阮今仔日特别感谢你引带带领柯立委对台湾一路条条来到这个中间，来要分享咱台湾的情形。愿你一心亲自来掌握，互阮伫遮所听所讲的，化作行动，来参与伫台湾，会当成做一个真正有自由、民主、有自尊，会当伫国际上互人受尊敬、真正独立的国家。阮即时将下面时间交代伫你，愿你通过阮的听、讲、分享，大家互相勉励造就，阮的信心愈坚强，疼心愈大，互阮的台湾能早日来出头天。那么开始以前，家己感谢来恳求，主耶稣基督名，阿门。
阿门。
介绍的吼，讲袂晓讲话讲大家笑甲，那么足感谢这个 Joseph Lim， Helen， Jennifer， Bill， 顶的吼，这一礼拜来咧，帮我安排迄行程咧吼，我也看到林医师也拢来，刘医师也拢来吼，来美国咧吼。来甲各位做报告，这礼拜行程我已经讲无啥去啊，所以今仔日咧吼是最后一场伫美国这演讲咧吼，我先来尊重各位啦吼，咱美国咧有民主嘛吼，咱要用台语讲，还是要用国语讲北京话，还是要用英语，德国语嘛小可会使吼，你。若讲台语有5个笑话，我若讲台语有5个笑话，但是若讲英文吼，英文即个就较无笑话。安尼要用台语讲的才会笑。OK， 因为有人无举手，所以吼，咱用半只白半只白就是用英语吼。若有笑话，先用台语来讲笑话安尼啦吼，安尼就公平啦吼。因为离即个台湾咧吼，要来做即个政治的即个理念的说明咧吼 ，it is quite difficult because we have no media. Our media is limited, so the only media for me is by telling joke during my speech. So quite a lot of people will come to me just for the joke. And then I will say, during my speech, there are 5 jokes. You have to listen carefully. If you miss anyone, I will not compensate you. So every people listen so carefully and influenced by me. So I will try my best. Today, what I want to talk is Taiwan looking forward. Why we need to talk about this? Because actually, if you observe Taiwan carefully, like our ancestor, Chen Yonghua, he observed Taiwan so well. He knows the advantages of Taiwan and how to build up the first independent state in Taiwan, that is東寧Kingdom. In 1664, Chen Yonghua built up東寧Kingdom, and that is the beginning of Taiwan state, Taiwan countries. And he has taught us that we have to preserve and observe Taiwan well. You observe Taiwan, and you use what Taiwan has to try to find the most benefits for we Taiwanese people. And my friend.
这好我想哦，是用台湾对讲哦，因为哦，有可能有个人啦，做英语讲遐好势吼，所以用台湾对讲是。哦，啊，插伫英语啊咧，用英语啦。啊？But
because some people enjoy my English there, I can tell. So I think here is United States. So to be fair to everybody, I use the national language here. Okay. Do you know the national languages? Almost German languages. German languages. Yes, when United States was established, they tried to choose national languages for United States, and then the German language comes second. But now your ancestor and the ancestor of United States chose English, so I speak English, and then I will talk about some joke in Taiwanese. Okay? Actually, Taiwan is quite lucky. We are situated in a good geographical locations. You can compare Taiwan with Japan, England, Cuba. They are all island countries. Only Japan, only Taiwan is well situated. There are 5 biggest economy in the world, except for European community. Japan lies in the north of Taiwan. China lies to the west of Taiwan. And Southeast Asia to the southeast. And NAFTA, including the United States, in the east. These 4 economies, we Taiwanese can reach these 4 areas by direct shipping lines. So if you observe Taiwan well, and you can make the best use of these locations, Taiwanese people become rich. So that is what Chen Yonghua did. And after 1895, Taiwanese became well educated during Japanese periods, and after 1945, so almost 100 years, we Taiwanese people are well educated. Quite a lot of people, they have high degrees like you of education. So our children are good at mathematics and physics, and our children are innovative. So they always come first in invention competitions in Geneva, in Munich, in Japan, in United States. So this is the second advantage for we Taiwanese. So if our leader know how to make the best use of these 2 advantages, then our people have well-being, become rich. So there is a geographical locations. President Ma in Taiwan asked us not to look at Taiwan history, because Taiwan history will tell you the truth. So President Ma asked us not to look at the past. He asked us to look at the futures. But actually, we have to look at the past, know our history, and you analyze the surroundings, the environment surrounding us now, and then we can foresee what is our futures, especially after signing ECFA with China. ECFA, ECFA. I prefer to say ECFA is emerging crisis for Formosan is facing. That is really a crisis for Taiwan. And President Ma don't want us to know history. I will tell you the history today because I have more than 1 hour's time. So I will tell you some Taiwan histories. I try to figure out the Taiwanese histories. I have to refer to Japanese book, English book, and German book, so that I can know the true facts. Taiwanese history is so difficult to find. If you rely on Chinese book, Chinese language book, they are quite misleading. So today I will tell you what is really Taiwan history. In 1624, the Dutch people would like to trade with Japan, Kyushu, because the Dutch people has already occupied Indonesia, and they would like to trade with Kyushu, Japan. So they need to find a place in the middle, because in 1624, at that time, we have not steamer yet. We only have sailing vessel. So we rely on wind for the transportation. So during the summertime, the Dutch product will be shipped into Taiwan, then to Japan. And during the winter, Japanese product will be shipped into Taiwan and then to Southeast Asia and to Europe. That is north and southbound trade. And this north and southbound trade has benefited Taiwanese at that time and the Dutch people so much that, do you know where is the first company in the world? The first company in the world is in Indonesia and Taiwan. In German languages, we call it Holländische Ostindische Company. That is the Dutch East India Company. That is the first company in the world. The Dutch people advocated free trade in the 17th century in the world, because before that they were colonized by the Spanish, and they overturned the Spanish rule. So the gentlemen in Holland, they set up a company to do business with the world. So they advocate free trade, because free trade is good for Netherlands. But only one shipping line cannot be free trade. The Dutch people monopolize this line. That is the line from Indonesia to Taiwan to Japan, because it was too profitable, too lucrative. So 1624, the Dutch people came to Taiwan and settled Taiwan, bringing new religions like Christianity, Western trade methods, farming methods into Taiwan. But unfortunately, although the Dutch people like Taiwan so much, he encountered one person. This person is half Japanese and half Chinese. That is Chung-Hsin.